Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I give you here a brand new update on Under Armour. Ticker is UAA. Be careful, there are two tickers around there, but in this video we talk about UAA. Under Armour guys trading on the New York Stock Exchange. We closed yesterday here with plus 5%, and this is in my opinion here a stock with a very nice potential here to gain some profits. The only question is, where is the bottom in guys, and I try to answer that here by using my chart techniques. This is of course not financial advice, but I think we are very close here to bottom in before we see even here something like a bullish reversal. Okay guys, let's start with the chart. We start here with the weekly chart, and before I enable my drawings I show you the indicators. Why do I think we have here some nice potential? Overall, of course, we are in an uptrend. We have here an all-time low of $1.49. That was back here in 2009. If you think, guys, that this is not worth it to mention anymore, then you are wrong, guys, because trading is everything based on algos. Of course, human or decisions can influence the market, but believe me, the algos find their way to, not to say manipulate the price, to control and regulate the price for stock. So what we know from the past year, from the time when Under Armour traded here between 2009 2010, that we have here some support and resistance ranges, and especially here the $3 range is a very strong support for the stock, guys. But we are trading now here at $5.74, so I show you now here why I think we have some nice potential here for a bottom which is maybe higher than in the $3 range. So when we see here the volume profile on the weekly chart, we have now here a massive green candle. So that was a massive technical reaction. I think when we zoom out, no guys, we never seen here, just back in 2007, we never seen this kind of buying volume here since 2007, guys. So we can see that here, that was the biggest weekly buying candle we ever had. Even the price did not move too much, but this is a clear signal, guys, a clear signal that buyers are waiting there, and this is not a surprise. I made already here videos about Under Armour because I think we are very close to see the bottom, and I show you now here my drawings to explain you the price levels, why I expected that, guys. If you don't know my channel, the main purpose is of course to educate you in trading, but I also try to predict short squeezes. Under Armour has a very good potential here to build something like a bullish reversal and gain a lot of profits in future, but it is not the typical kind of short squeeze stock. So what I'm doing is here I post my finest selection of short squeeze stocks on Patreon, and then try to predict short squeezes. We started this week here on Monday with a 116% squeeze. So I posted this ticker here. The yellow line was the day when I posted this ticker on Patreon. Also here, guys, very same, exactly the same like here for Under Armour. This green box was the buying liquidity zone for this ticker here, and you can see we had just 2 fake out attempts before we had a 116% squeeze after I posted this ticker on Patreon. So 2 days later this ticker squeezed already here, guys. Then we had the same the week before, 124% squeeze. I posted this ticker here, blue box, guys, the buying liquidity zone, 1-2 days, and boom, sayonara, we had a 124% squeeze. I can of course show you a couple of more screenshots, but I think you got the message, guys. So if you want to see these secret short squeeze stocks, you can join our trading community. The full package membership on Patreon is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new members joining in, guys. So we're growing very fast, and you not only get access here to my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, you also get access to my trading tutorials and the member FAQ section. So I answer a lot of questions about trading here, especially for beginners, but also for advanced traders. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and also available here in the video description. The price levels for Under Armour, guys. So there is one algo shakeout level at $5.25. You can see my previous videos, these price levels are the same. And before this shakeout here happened, I already mentioned these price levels here. And as you can see, yes, we had a fake out below $5.25, but you can also see when we zoom in how this works, guys. As I said, this is everything based on algos. The first shakeout attempt, we can see that the red candle here didn't close below $5.25, so that was the first attempt for the market makers. Then we had this massive market correction, crash, call it whatever you want, in April here. everything was down in red, and also Under Armour closed with a weekly candle below $5.25. But guess what, guys? The technical reaction was that immediately the next week, guys, we squeezed here or had a technical reaction of 23%, which is quite a lot for a stock like Under Armour here, guys. So when we now switch to the daily chart, then we are back even here in this algo liquidity zone. So what I mean by algo shakeout level, that means that if Under Armour really close below this level and the retest fails, now we have a successful retest. You can see that we're trading above this level, but if this retest fails, we can go much lower because we have still here some open business in the chart, and technically it is possible that Under Armour goes much lower than that. There will be a price range where the algos snap in and force something like a technical reaction or even an algo squeeze, but for now I still focus here on these price levels here, guys, and that means that the most bullish algo demand zone is between $6 and $5.60. So if Under Armour close below that, that does not mean that we broke this price level. That could be a fake out by the market makers to accumulate their positions before we see here a potential technical squeeze. For now, guys, when we focus here on these price levels, we are not back over this $6 range here. So I want to see the price closing above $6. What could happen when we now for a second switch off the drawings, I usually don't like to do that, to talk about EMA lines, moving averages, but we can see that Under Armour also got rejected here by the white and yellow EMA lines. So it is possible, guys, that we maybe can even come back to $6.50, but then see a technical rejection, which brings us even lower. So this is not yet a technical confirmation for a bullish reversal, but what we have is that we have here some very big green volume. So even if the price might go lower, this is already here the signal that the bullish market makers or the bullish algos already bought their positions here. So that means that they maybe accumulate even lower than that, but that is a very good signal. I am bullish on Under Armour, guys. Yeah, this is one ticker here for my portfolio for 2025 and 2026. And as I said, because we have these open gaps here in the daily chart, that means that the potential that we go lower is there, but this is here already the first signal that the buying algos snapped in, and they will of course buy the dip to create here something like new all-time highs would be great, but a new bullish reversal and uptrend. It looks a little bit here, and we switch off for a second also the indicators, that we building up here something like a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, which could be the spring already here, which means the lowest point. Usually after the spring you see some recover process like this, and then you try to fulfill this pattern here that Under Armour can of course go back over $10, $15, or even over $20. Technically this ticker here has a lot of room to go to the upside, since we have also a lot of open gaps to the upside here. So yeah, technically even $40 is possible, guys. Yeah, my friends, that is the quick and dirty update on Under Armour. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I have a lot of other videos available here on my channel and especially on Patreon, my brand new short squeeze stocks, guys. There is also one stock which has high squeeze potential for the next week, so check this ticker out, guys. And if you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the program what you see here in the video, guys. And if you want to learn trading, I highly recommend to use a good chart tool, and TradingView is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. If you want to get TradingView today, guys, then please click here in the video description to get access to the special $15 discount link. My friends, that was the update. I hope that was helpful. I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that. And being that said, good luck with all your trades and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Viel Erfolg mit Under Armour und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.